Tucked within the quiet valleys of central Norway lies Hessdalen, a place where nature's tranquility collides with a decades-long mystery that continues to confound scientists, skeptics, and enthusiasts alike. The Hessdalen Lights, mysterious luminous phenomena that appear in the night sky, have been reported by locals and researchers since the 1930s, though they gained global attention in the 1980s. These lights defy easy classification. They appear as floating orbs, fast-moving beams, or pulsing glows. The scientific community has mounted multiple investigations, yet a definitive explanation remains elusive. This expanded investigation delves into the history, sightings, research, and theories surrounding the Hessdalen Lights. Through eyewitness reports, scientific studies, and speculative interpretations, we aim to unpack one of Earth's most persistent natural enigmas. Hessdalen is a remote valley located in the municipality of Hessdalen in Sør-Trøndelag County, Norway. Stretching roughly 12 kilometers, it is flanked by rugged mountains, vast meadows, and pristine streams. Its geographic isolation and minimal light pollution make it an ideal location for observing atmospheric phenomena. The sparse population and tranquil surroundings meant that for decades, only locals bore witness to the strange lights that would occasionally dance across the valley. These sightings were initially met with awe and skepticism, but over time they began to build a case too compelling to ignore. Although there are sporadic reports of strange lights in Hessdalen dating back to the 1930s, the phenomenon exploded into public consciousness in the early 1980s. Between 1981 and 1984, there were up to 20 sightings per week. Locals described glowing orbs, white, yellow, red, or blue, that hovered above the ground, zipped across the valley, or ascended into the sky at tremendous speeds. Some lights lingered for minutes, others vanished in a blink. Witnesses claimed the lights sometimes followed vehicles or hovered silently above homes. They seemed to move with intention, sparking speculation that they were under intelligent control. These recurring anomalies spurred media interest, scientific curiosity, and a wave of amateur investigations. In response to the growing number of credible sightings, a team of scientists from Østfold University College and the Norwegian Defence Research Establishment initiated Project Hessdalen in 1983. Their goal to observe and record the lights using scientific instruments. The initial field investigation set up observation posts with cameras, radars, spectrometers, magnetometers, and radio frequency monitors. The team was able to capture photographs, videos, and even radar signatures of the lights, confirming they were not illusions or simple reflections. In 1998, an automated observation station, the Hessdalen Automatic Measurement Station, AMS, was established. It continuously monitors the sky for activity, capturing data and images for later analysis. September 1984. A large bullet-shaped object reportedly hovered for over an hour, witnessed by multiple observers and recorded by Project Hessdalen. December 2000. A bright light was captured hovering and then vanishing with high acceleration, recorded by the AMS. In 2007, Italian scientists joined the investigation with the EMBLA project using spectrographic and thermal cameras to gather additional data. The lights were observed emitting a broad spectrum of wavelengths, including infrared. One striking aspect of the lights is their unpredictable behavior. They appear at various altitudes, sometimes low to the ground, other times high in the sky. Their movements do not align with known atmospheric or astronomical phenomena. Despite decades of study, no single explanation has fully accounted for the Hessdalen Lights. Several competing theories have been proposed. One popular scientific hypothesis suggests that the lights are caused by plasma formed by ionized gas clouds. These could be created by the interaction of rare earth elements in the valley's geology with underground water and high levels of quartz, generating natural batteries and electrical discharges. Some researchers have proposed that tectonic strain and stress in the Earth's crust could create piezoelectric discharges, sparks generated by pressure on quartz. This could create floating balls of plasma akin to ball lightning. A more chemical-based theory suggests that the spontaneous combustion of airborne dust containing metallic elements may produce visible light emissions. The diversity in light color and movement may relate to variations in dust composition and atmospheric conditions. Some believe the lights are the result of unusual optical effects such as temperature inversions or light bending through different atmospheric layers. These could cause light from distant sources to appear displaced or distorted. Magnetic anomalies in the Hessdalen region have been measured, leading to speculation that strong electromagnetic fields may influence or even generate the lights. This could explain their apparent movement, hovering, and sudden changes in brightness. Beyond scientific theories, the Hessdalen Lights have also attracted attention from UFO enthusiasts and paranormal investigators. Some suggest the lights are spacecraft piloted by extraterrestrials or drones operated by unknown intelligences. This theory is bolstered by the lights' intelligent-seeming behavior, following people, changing direction, or hovering for extended periods. However, there is no physical evidence, and scientists generally regard such interpretations as speculative. Others propose interdimensional portals, spiritual phenomena, or even time travelers as explanations, but these remain within the realm of fringe speculation. The lights have become an integral part of Hessdalen's identity. While some locals initially feared the phenomena, most now accept them as a curious and benign part of life in the valley. The mystery has boosted local tourism. Festivals, sky-watching events, and international conferences draw visitors from around the world. The region has embraced its identity as a hotspot for unexplained phenomena, blending science and folklore. Schools have integrated the mystery into their curricula, encouraging students to participate in observational science. The Hessdalen project has inspired young scientists and fostered interest in atmospheric physics and space studies. Hessdalen is not the only place on Earth where mysterious lights appear. Similar phenomena include Marfa lights in Texas, USA, flickering lights reported since the 19th century, Min lights in Australia, ghostly orbs that follow travelers, and Brown Mountain lights in North Carolina, USA, luminous anomalies seen for centuries. These similarities suggest that Earth's atmosphere and geology may occasionally produce rare and poorly understood luminous phenomena. The mystery of the Hessdalen Lights remains unresolved, but research continues. Collaborative projects between universities in Norway, Italy, and other countries aim to gather high-resolution data using cutting-edge instruments, including drones, LiDAR, and AI-powered video analysis. Recent projects also include three-dimensional mapping of light trajectories, spectroscopic analysis to determine chemical composition, and ground-penetrating radar to examine geological anomalies. Scientists hope that these technologies will uncover patterns or triggers for the lights, shedding light, both figuratively and literally, on the mystery. The Hessdalen Lights remain one of the most thoroughly documented but least understood natural phenomena on Earth. For nearly a century, they have challenged the boundaries of atmospheric science and inspired wonder in those who witness them. Whether the product of rare geological conditions, plasma physics, or something entirely unknown, the lights serve as a humbling reminder of nature's complexity and the limits of human understanding. Until definitive answers emerge, the Hessdalen Valley will remain a beacon for curiosity, inquiry, and imagination.